I will.
Hi, I'm just glad everything has completed.
Yep, and we got kicked out right as it was finishing.
We still there.
Yeah, it is. I don't know if other people will see the pings, but I will talk through this. It's being recorded, so I'll be able to append it to the previous meeting. Um, so where we left off in the last one is that this was running. We were waiting for DAST. This is finished. This is masters Java Maven. So now if I go to configuration, we see all 5 configured. License compliance we set up before, so we're still seeing stuff there. And then the secure dashboard we should now see for all report types. So container scanning, that was there before. Dast, we just added it. Dependency scanning, we just added it. And SAS just was added as well. So now if I go to the group level and the security dashboard here, I can see that both are showing up. So if I change to Java Maven and container scanning, you can see results here. Dast, dependency scanning, and SAST. So there's 4 here for SAST. I'm going to change to all projects, and now there's 5 because we've added Python pip. Now if I change to just Python pip, we see 1 SAST, some dependency scanning. We see DAST and container scanning. And so here on compliance, so we'll just see some recent merge requests. But so hopefully that wraps up the demo. Unfortunately, with just you and me, we can't really score the scorecard that we have here. I guess we'll lean on doing that async after I post this follow-up, and we'll see what people say.
I mean, I'm good with it.
There's more people here. Hi.
Yeah.
Surprise!
Sorry, I could only
I was
see
like,
Will's
how many of us does there need to be?
I'm sorry, I could only see Will's picture, so I thought I was just talking to Will. Are there any questions about that, what I showed in the security dashboard here, the combined group level?
No, I followed it all. Thank you.
Okay. So when we come to the scorecard, I didn't prove this again from the last demo. I also didn't prove this out from the last demo. I did finish setting up Python pip and Java Maven. What do you all think as far as scores?
I think everything worked as expected. Looked good to me, so I would think it would be 5s for all 4, unless there's a case anyone wants to make for another number.
Are there any concerns that anyone has? I did the 7 seconds of awkward silence, so I'll put 5s here. I'll still post this to Todd and Mex since they're not on this call, to make sure that this drives with them as well. And then I'll also follow up. We could do this async to figure out, do we need to do another in-person demo for the full regression suite, or once we have that done, can we record a short clip, include links, and prove it out that way? I'll check on that async.
I mean, I'd be fine with that, but I'm not probably the one you have to get the answer from, but yeah, I would totally be fine with that. And I assume that when that happens, would there be is there like a weekly pipeline that runs that that's tagged in a way that I would be able to follow that like in the future, just to see like what the results of that test are, or
That's
how
an
does
interesting
that work?
call out. So we do have it's a nightly build, so it happens every night. I don't think we have any sort of alerting built in now. It goes to a channel, the overall results, which includes a bunch of other jobs that are not air gapped. We could look into building some sort of notification functionality just for those specific jobs. No.
No, I'm fine with. I just meant like, is there a way to easily find in the big long list of pipelines that nightly one, and then I could just look at the jobs and click on the job that I was interested in looking at.
Yeah, we can make sure that you have the link to where the nightly runs are stored, so that you have an easy way to go and see what's happened. There's also a Slack channel which has links to all the runs, whether they pass or fail.
That would probably be overwhelming, but okay.
Yeah, you could mute it at least, and then if you need it.
Yeah, no, seriously.
Okay.
Okay, no, thanks. That's helpful.
Okay. Well, thanks everybody. Sorry to keep you late. I really expected this to take no more than half an hour, and then the runs took a long time. So I'm sorry to take up so much of your time. But thank you for joining.
No worries. Thanks.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Danielle.
everyone.